Unraveling the mystery of a rare bird in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, a rare bird. This phrase is not just about birds, but it's a colorful way to describe something or someone unique. So, let's dive in and discover the richness of this expression. A rare bird is an idiomatic expression used to describe a person or thing that is uncommon or exceptional in some way. The key here is rarity, something you don't find often. This phrase is often used to appreciate the uniqueness or unusual qualities of someone or something. The phrase, a rare bird, has its origins in a Latin phrase, rara avis, which directly translates to rare bird. It was first used in a satirical poem by the Roman poet Juvenal. Over time, this Latin phrase made its way into English, retaining its figurative meaning of highlighting rarity and uniqueness. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In the art world, in a sea of modern painters, her unique style makes her a rare bird. 2. In business, a CEO who spends time with each employee is indeed a rare bird. 3. In personal traits, his ability to stay calm in every situation makes him a rare bird. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the standout qualities of a person or thing. When you use a rare bird in conversation, it's important to contextualize it properly. This phrase is mostly used in a positive sense, to admire or praise something unique. However, it's also crucial to understand the tone and setting. Using it in formal contexts might require a little caution. A rare bird is a wonderful example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. It's a phrase that celebrates uniqueness and rarity, adding a poetic touch to our conversations. I hope this video helps you appreciate and use this charming expression. Happy learning, and see you in our next English language adventure.